Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an amazing tutorial for you on how to import a slow DNS server on SockSIP Tunnel VPN. If you're interested in more VPN updates and hidden tricks, be sure to check out our blog. And if you find this video helpful, please support us by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. Now let's get started. First, we'll need to install the SockSIP Tunnel app. Here's how. Open your device's Play Store. In the search bar, type SockSIP Tunnel. Look for the official app in the results and tap on it. Click the Install button. Once installed, open the app. You should now see the homepage of SockSIP Tunnel. Next, we'll need to get a slow DNS account. Follow these steps. Open your web browser, search for UDP Custom. Find the official website link and click on it. You'll be taken to the website's homepage. Now let's download the necessary slow DNS file. On the UDP Custom website, click the menu button. In the menu list, find and click on Slow DNS Files. A small menu will open. Click on SockSIP Tunnel Slow DNS. You'll see a list of SockSIP Tunnel DNS options. Choose the latest one. Click on your chosen file to open the download page. Click the download button. Wait a few seconds for the file to download to your device. Once downloaded, return to the SockSIP Tunnel app's homepage. Importing the slow DNS file. Let's import the file we just downloaded. In the SockSIP Tunnel app, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. A menu will open. Click on Import/Export. In the small window that appears, click Import. This will open your device's download folder. Find the SockSIP file you downloaded earlier from the website. Click on the file to select it. Wait a few seconds for the file to be successfully imported. We're almost done. Here's the final step. Once the file is imported, locate and click the Start button in the app. Wait a few seconds while your VPN connects. You should now be connected to a fast and secure internet connection through the VPN. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a slow DNS server on SockSIP Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.